Hey class, I've decided I'm going to try to do something a little different from my usual videos. This time, instead of making standalone concept videos, I'm going to try my hand at a full-blown course. But since I won't be including things like homework or exams, it may be more accurate to call this a lecture series. For my first subject, I decided I wanted to teach programming languages. You might be thinking, why programming languages? Well, that's exactly what we'll explore in this video. By the end of this video, I hope I'll have convinced you why programming languages is a topic worth studying, and I hope you'll join me on this journey. When I think about why I study programming languages, one main reason is that programming languages, as a subject, is in the sweet spot between theory and application. On one hand, I love seeing the connections between programming languages and topics in mathematics, such as abstract algebra, logic, and computability. And on the other hand, I also love how real it is, in the sense that I interact with programming languages almost every day. I find that because programming languages is right between theory and application, studying programming languages increases my understanding of both mathematics and computers as well. And as someone who likes to code a lot, learning programming languages has made me a better coder. I think of coding as a practice where you use your human creativity to manipulate a medium in the ways that you want, kind of like how an artist uses a paintbrush to move paint around a canvas. And in the same way that an artist who understands paint is a better painter, I feel that knowing the foundations of programming languages makes me a better coder. Did you know that Leonardo da Vinci mixed his own pigments? Because when you're an artist of that caliber, you need top-notch tools, and sometimes the regular stuff is not going to cut it. The great thing about knowing the foundations of programming languages is that you can make your own programming language for whatever purpose you want. You can make a programming language for a very specific use case, such as making websites, or diagrams, or math, or games. These are called domain-specific programming languages. You can also make the interface, or the syntax of the programming language, whatever you want. Maybe common languages like Java or C++ are just too intimidating, so why not program in emojis, or recipes, or Shakespeare, or whatever this is. Knowing the foundation of programming languages helps us understand that almost anything can somehow become a programming language, and anyone can become a programmer. So, that's why I study programming languages, and why I've chosen this as my first attempt at a full-length video course. I hope this video got you excited, and I hope you'll join me on this journey. In the next video, we'll talk about some logistics such as the course objectives, what you can expect to learn, and prerequisites.